The plan is simple, you know, we will go fast, really try to win this race. And I think there's not really a way of playing any tactic. It might be, I think, up to the section were very, very rocky and very obvious that it can get a flat. You know, just hold back there a little bit. We had a really good pre-run, so we checked out a lot of lines, a lot of clean lines, getting around all the silt, and I feel very confident, you know, that we can have a good race. As Steven does as well, you know, he pre-run enough, and I feel confident with the truck, with the team. I'm starting the race, and then I go down to Catavina on the highway crossing, race mile 365, and get out there, and Steven gets in, and then he's doing out the fish camp. My section actually before Catavina is quite silty, quite rocky. There's a lot of challenges in there, and I think that is more or less the crucial thing. Along the coast, it's all like a rally road. There I really feel good. We did it in opposite direction at the Baja 500 coming in. So I know this stretch very well, and I think that will be a lot of fun going out there.
Okay. 100 and go right through coming jump. 160 on the way. Right side short. Titans 2 on crust, then 170 crust flat. Again, so your call. You need to go. Yeah, go right. So be careful, no notes. No, it's careful. Then a 180 crest minus caution at junction left 2. Coming junction left 2. 100 okay, here, stop. Here's the speed zone. Okay? Off? Yeah, go. Then 120 crest minus 40. Then crest minus 3. Crest to 180 coming. And ahead is coming left minus in over crest right too slow. Large on right, and right 4 minus Titan short. Ahead is right 4 narrow and 50 caution. Then coming left 2 caution. Oh, it's okay, go long. These are super hard to read.
Yeah, it's super hard to see
yeah, I know.
in dust.
Now twisty. left, junction left. Good job, good job. Left 2 to 3 on the first, right 3. Long over crest. We are showing 1.6 miles per gallon. The gas mileage is low, so if you want to splash, we're coming to the highway right now. What's the speed limit on it?
Brian, if you copy Steven, you have a 3-minute gap between you and the next car in front of you. And you are exactly 130 down from the lead truck on time.
10-4, thank you. Go ahead. It's 15. Okay, yeah, you're 15 is good. And 70, gate left 3, jump. Around the rocks.
Brian, you guys are on the wrong line. You need to get left. You need to get left towards the highway. You're going to pass us. Left. Hard left towards the asphalt. Hard left. Hard left. Hard left now. Hard left now.
Over there. Right there, right there. Right there. Up here. Right 3.
You got cars in about 30 seconds in front of you.
Right 3, fast, Should be good. Over crest, straight, 105. Careful with the fence. Straight. Coming left through, watch the button. Others. Left. Just You want any power bar?
I'm good. I used it.
That's a little better. Twisty, twisty. Coming right, pretty short, enough for it now. Left knee long, tight, over crest. Long, tight. Coming right up. It gets a little tight.
Right here. Straight.
Yeah, everything's like straight. Left.
Here over the bank.
Yeah, and then have a look real quick. That should go into the wash.
Fuck.
That's okay. We're still good. Give it a little gas.
No, we are on the nose.
Okay, stop.
There's a car.
Turn it off. I can't believe your helmet doesn't work. Right 3 to 4.
I can hear you, Brian, when you talk louder.
Holy shit. Okay, cool. I'm talking louder. You can hear that?
Yeah.
Well, fuck, why don't you tell me?
Going right.
Giving left 3 short, right 4. Keep going.
Louder.
Keep going.
Which way?
Right. Go.
were doing really good up until like 290. I guess Armin got caught into a silt bed bottleneck and couldn't get out. Got stuck, but we were right there. I think we were within a couple minutes of the lead. He brought the car pretty far down on time, so then it was way back in the pack. And you know, typical me, I get in there and I'm gonna make it all up real quick, and so I started pushing hard. You know, I knew I didn't have I only had 500 miles to make up a lot of ground, so you know, I was trying to get through the pack, and I went into the silt beds right on somebody else too, and you know, I ended up getting disoriented and hitting a bush, which stopped us, and then I was buried, so put us back another 45 minutes. After that, it was just kind of, you know, make it to the finish line and, you know, see how the cards unfold.
Actually, the race was going pretty well. Our starting position was not the one we wanted, and Armin did a great job kind of slowly working through the field. And when we got on the truck, we were chasing down Dan McMillan and got stuck in the silt and lost about 45 minutes there. And at that point, we just kind of pre-ran our section, tried to get to the finish and get a good finish for the team and for all the sponsors and everybody at home. And we're here. We finished Baja 1000. Not many people are finishing, so it's an accomplishment just to finish this race.